What's up, everybody? I'm John.
I'm Isaac.
We are Cars and Cameras, and welcome to the Tilly Quad, Episode 2. We put a Tillotson 212cc engine from GoPowersports.com with some performance goodies on the smallest four-wheeler I've ever seen.
We're trying to take safety a little more seriously, and since it threw me in the last episode, Ike is like not taking any chances.
Yeah. I don't think it's fast enough to put leathers on because I'm not really worried about road rash. But back protection, neck protection, and head protection.
So like I said, right now this little quad is rocking a Tillotson 212cc engine with a Stage 1 kit, a 62 tooth sprocket, and a clutch, all from GoPowersports.com. You can check them all out at links in the description. It still has a governor, and the thing is really, really, really quick. We're going to get some thrashing in before the sun goes down, and then I think we're going to come back and try to do some mods, fix the exhaust so we can get a more forward seating position, and then go from there. Maybe remove the governor. Who knows?
So Ike's coming up with a quick and dirty seat just to get his butt off the pipe and also to get his leg off the header. It kind of reminds me of those Volkswagen Jettas that like come from the factory in like all different colors.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what they're called though.
Don't.
So we're going to make one more quick mod before Ike takes this out for a spin, and that's the Go Power Sports chain guard. Bolts right on the Tillotson, works perfectly on this quad, just to keep our heels, feet, legs out of the chain and clutch. That chain is loosey-goosey, buddy.
Yeah, we'll ride it until it pops off.
Okay.
Please don't get hurt.
No guarantees, my friend.
Okay.
This is mud.
Oh yeah, it's not all right.
Hey, let's try the hill climb.
All right. Yeah, it's a trench digger. Oh.
Woo!
Oh no.
What do you think, bud?
I think you're gonna drown the engine.
Dude, this thing's doing so good, I think it's ready for this.
Whatever you say, man. Do whatever you're comfortable with.
Let me get another
Approach angle.
approach.
Digging a hole.
Ah!
Man, I hate to break it to you, but I don't know that it's gonna happen.
Maybe the other direction.
Maybe the other direction.
Maybe that's my problem.
Yeah. calling it, dude. This is just painful to watch. Wow. You did it, man.
I think I give up. I thought she was ready.
Dude, you can barely see the rear wheel.
And that's why she cuts off.
Well, yeah, okay.
Yeah, this thing is a serious handful to ride. So much, in fact, it's a little scary to ride.
I mean, like, at the end of the day, it's never going to be safe because of the crazy power to weight ratio, but there are a couple things that we can do. Like, the big thing for me is tucking that exhaust in a little bit better because I kept bumping into it and burning myself, and you have enough to think about when you're just trying to stay on the thing.
Didn't we hose this thing off, or did we not?
No, you hosed this thing off, yeah. And it's still a little crusty.
Yeah.
Yeah, how did we,
Well...
Oh, we just gotta take the muffler off,
Yeah.
not a big deal. And so we're basically just gonna trim all along that, flange.
That's the idea.
And give it a little tweak. Just like we wanted it to do. Alright, it's
Think more?
It's tucked in a little more, but I still think we're gonna feel it, man. I don't know that there's anything else we can really do.
I say we tuck it in more. There it is.
You think we can get it on and off still?
All we gotta do is remove these studs.
Oh, that's true. That's true. That ain't nothing but a thing, man.
Ain't nothing but a thing.
Cool.
And that pipe is pretty much out of the way.
Yeah.
Boom.
Alright. It's tacked. Can you take it off? Oh, alright.
Like it was meant to be, bud.
Yeah. You think the hardware will fit on there?
I think so. Hope it seals. It's hitting that valve cover.
Oh boy.
I had it off of it, but during the welding, I guess it pulled to it.
Yeah.
It is what it is. The worst part could be long term. We could have enough heat to cook the oil, causing it to crust up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's it.
So it'll be fine, is what it sounds like you're saying.
It'll be fine.
Cool. Yeah, I think this is a lot better. Let me do a test sit. I mean, yeah, it's better. It's definitely better, dude. It's almost touching the frame rail there.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
there's
it's
only
got
one
some
way to
space.
find out. Yeah, and if this doesn't work, we can always put some header wrap on it, build some kind of heat shield. I think this will be okay for us.
Yeah, I don't think it can get much better than
What we
what
have.
it is now.
Well, we never actually did a top speed run.
We should do a top speed run.
Yeah, I want to see how fast it goes,
Uh-huh.
and then we can build a wheelie bar.
Oh, I forgot how bad it was already.
Oh, it's a death machine!
Very little break.
Oh, it's up.
Be careful, bud.
Oh, the steering is bad. Oh, this is not good. I think the throttle screw is not backed out, because that's it.
Okay.
So,
All right. Well, that's the way it was out of the box.
yeah.
So let's tweak it a little bit.
Well, I want to check it first
Okay.
just to see what it
I'm gonna say 13.
17.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. That's faster than I thought it would be.
Yeah, I was only a little scared.
Okay. So let's take it to the garage and just tweak it a little bit.
Alright.
pretty sketchy, isn't it?
Yeah. Am I allowed to not like something that we've built?
Yes.
I mean, it could be very cool.
Uh-huh.
It needs a lot of work.
Yes.
It needs big, cushy tires.
Right.
It needs independent front suspension. It needs some kind of rear suspension. Because, dude, like, any tiny little bump is like the end of the world for your spine.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, let's mess with the throttle screw, right?
All right, sounds good. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to back out on this
Start with that guy.
throttle screw.
Yep.
And I'm going to do something that I did on the monster truck.
Yeah, it actually worked really well.
Taking this spring right here, and I'm moving it to this outboard hole.
Yep. I have no idea if it's safe or not. Probably not. So there's that. But this is what we are doing for entertainment and testing purposes only. And it's as simple as that. Oh, and our linkage is in the way. Not anymore.
Still don't like it.
Here we go.
Hey, what's your prediction on speed?
Oh man, I don't want to think about it. 25?
27.
27, you're probably right. Alright, but I hope you're wrong.
Be careful, buddy.
Thank you. Oh, is that it? Woo! Nothing. It's still not that fast.
Oh, and it died.
All right,
So-
car coming up behind you.
Oh, car. Okay, let's push it out of the way.
All right. All right, what's the top speed?
Let's check the top speed. I hope it recorded it. So, 19.8,
What was it before?
17. So, yeah, I was not impressed by the changes, so I bypassed the governor.
I heard that.
Yeah. And then it didn't want to return to idle, so I had to turn it off and then turn it back on, and that's why it took me so long down there.
I was wondering.
Yeah. So the top speed, even after I bypassed the governor, is only about 20 miles an hour, which is fine with me. And we've been talking. We were gonna send it around the Cars and Cameras Grand Prix lap, but I think it's just too mushy.
You might do an absolute nosedive in this.
Yeah, I probably would do a nosedive. Yeah, you're 100% right.
So it's a little bit of a bummer, but we're almost out of the wet season here, and we are gonna have a ton of 2019 Cars and Cameras Grand Prix laps coming up very shortly for you guys. Ike and I have talked about it, and unless there's anything you guys can come up with in the comments, let us know that we could actually pull off. And if there's anything we can think of, we're probably just gonna park this thing, because I mean, there's fast and fun and scary, but then there's also just fast and scary, and this is fast and scary, not so much fun.
Well, it's kind of fast and real scary.
Yeah, it's not so much fast, but it's very scary and not so much fun.
Yeah, 19 miles per hour is pretty slow for us, but on that thing it feels like you're doing 40, 50.
Yeah, it's not good. So I mean, of course, we're gonna keep thinking about it, but for now, I think we're gonna park it until we can do a Grand Prix lap.
I would like to end this video with a burnout.
Let's end it on a burnout, dude. I like that idea.
So we're gonna end this video with a burnout, guys, but don't forget to come to Mini Mayhem April 13th and 14th at Busco Beach in North Carolina. More information on our Facebook page. Paint swap meet at the Texas Motor Speedway with Go Power Sports April 25, 26, 27. You can find more information on their Facebook page. And then the Oregon Mini Bike Gambler 500 endurance race, and that's gonna be May 18th. Leave a like, subscribe to Cars and Cameras, and here's a good burnout for you.
Oh man. Brutal.
good? What, are you getting burned? Oh no, tire rubber.
It's all over me, man. On my back?
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, it burns, dude.